Let's
enter if and or functions in the salary increase column. These functions are going to enter the text not eligible if the individual's job status is a consultant or the individual's pay grade is 4. If neither of these are the case, we're going to leave the cell blank. In order to insert both functions, we have to do what's called nesting. We're going to nest the OR function, here's the OR function, inside the if function. Let's explain the OR function first. The OR function is written with the OR keyword, and then the pay grade column, notice the square brackets, is equal to 4. Notice that the 4 is numeric, so there's no quotes around it. The second argument, separated by this comma here, is the job status column. Again, notice the square brackets. The job status column is equal to CN. Notice the quotation marks around CN because CN is character data. And that is the end of the OR function. If the OR function pay grade equals 4 or job status equals CN. If either of those are true, we enter the not eligible. Now this is part of the if function. The if function says if either pay grade or job status is true, enter not eligible. The else, followed by the comma here, is quote, quote. Basically, that's an empty string. It's entering nothing in the column. So that's how we write the if and or functions in the salary increase column